Average, simple, you know that if you have a series of numbers, you can find out its average. So if I have a portfolio, I want to find out average return would simply be the average of all these numbers. Now, if I want to find out, average of those numbers, average of everything, here what I did was I only selected these numbers. But there is some tax, some this. So if I want to find out that, take all the cells. If any cell has a text, take it as 0. If any cell has a true, take it as 1. If any cell has a false, take it as 0. In that case, we can use average A. So what average A does is, like we had count A used to count everything which had any text in it. Similarly, average A, what average A do is that it will take all the numbers. It will take all these as well and count them as 0. It will take true as 1 and false as 0. Then it will sum up all of these and divide them by all these number of cells and calculate the average. That is average A. Or if I want to use a condition with average, I can use average if. So for example, I want to calculate average of those returns only in which I have invested more than 200,000. So I will select the criteria range. So this is the criteria range I am looking at. I will select the criteria. Criteria is that investment should be greater than 200,000. And then I will select the average range, that I need to make the average or calculate the average of these numbers. Any confusion so far? This is average if.